to English Made Simple. Hi, today we are going to talk about the past perfect. What the past perfect is, and some examples. The past perfect is one of the 4 main past tenses of the English language, along with the past simple, past continuous, and past perfect continuous. We use had plus past participle to form it. So, for instance, had eaten, had seen, had driven, had spoken, and so on. When do we use it? We use it to describe an action that happened before a past simple action. For example, she passed her exam because she had studied hard. Passed the exam is the past simple event, but studied hard is the past perfect and happened before. Here are some more examples. Kate had cooked dinner when Peter came home. The dinner was cooked before Peter came. We know this because had cooked dinner is the past perfect and happened first. By the time we got to the cinema, the film had finished. The film finished before we got to the cinema. We know this because had finished is the past perfect and happened first. Finally, the last example. I had never eaten fish and chips before I came to London. This is negative, but it means that I did not eat fish and chips until I came to London. Remember the past perfect with these 6 words. Past perfect happens before past simple. Past perfect happens before past simple. Past perfect happens before past simple.
Hey guys, thank you for watching English Made Simple. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and comment below and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, make sure you ask and we will try to answer it. See you next time and have a great day.